Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Step-by-step guide to changing language in Gospel Library. So here I'm going to teach you how to change your language in Gospel Library. So here to change it, just open up your Gospel Library. So here we have a lot of options that we can choose from to change your language. As of now, all we need to do is click on Library. After clicking on Library right there, you will see a three dot on the top right corner. All we need to do is press on that. After pressing on that, you will see language just below history. Click on language. Here we have different types of language, starting from A all the way down to letters Z and S, as you can see right there. As you can see, the language is right here. There, as you can see, there's a lot of language. Now I've chosen the language of English and Tagalog. You can choose Tagalog, as you can see right now. It's on Tagalog language. Then if we want to go back to our normal language, just click on right there and then click on English. Let's say click on language and then what to do, write this language right here, just press on it. Now it's just gonna download it. There you go. After downloading it, it will now look like this. And if we want to put it back, just press on the same thing, same icon, and then click on right there. And if we want to remove a language, just need to click on the trash icon on the right corner. So we're gonna do that to remove a language. There we go, delete the language. So there, as you can see, now when we're gonna click on that same language again, we'll have to download it again. So yeah, there you go, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys like the video, because you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.